Ciao ragazzi, benvenuti, benvenuti sulla Fisher Tech Channel, come sempre. Vedete oggi maglioncino di alpaca, che fa freschetto, ma è anche una bella giornata, infatti adesso unboxing rapido e poi andrò a fare un giretto col mio cane. Oggi, come potete vedere, abbiamo qua un case Mars Gaming Case RGB. Che sia, come potete vedere, fa un RGB, vetro temperato, diversi modi di funzionamento dell'RGB e USB 3.0. Vediamo, modello MCK Black, Mid Tower, ATX, Micro ATX, Mini ATX, Drive Bay 2x3.5, 2x2.5, 7 slot espansione, supporta GPU fino a 300 mm, supporta CPU cooler fino a 164 mm. Questo è interessante. Fammi vedere quant'è che è il mio CPU cooler qua. Che ci ha promesso quanto abbiamo detto? Air cooling, no, CPU clearance 164 mm. Sì, ci siamo dentro giusti, impressionante. Modi per raffreddare, un 120 davanti, un 120 dietro e 220 sopra. Water cooling davanti un 120, dietro un 120. IO-port 3.01, 2.01, HD audio più mic. Case dimension 398 cm x 437 x 202, 4,2 kg. Designed in Europe. So, let's go forward with the unboxing shell. We got our good old friend unboxing knife. Whoa, that's sexy. So let's see how we pull it this way. Pretty nice. It's pretty nice. Clean. With those three RGB on the front. With one USB 3.0, audio jack, microphone, USB 2.0, two LEDs for the working, a nice button and a reset button, nice grill, meshed, magnetic. So as you can see the front panel, it's perfect. Side of the glass seems to be perfect. All the side here seems to be perfect. The back Seems to be perfect. Back over right here. It's perfect. So let's open up. We need the correct screwdriver. Screw. Two screws. Three screws. And four screws. So we're gonna put this nice tempered glass aside. We're gonna take a look on the internal. So we got instruction manual, various screws, pre-installed razors, we got a bunch of wirings for access. Side panel, just to take a look what there's in there. So it's a pretty nice case. It's a pretty nice case. So let's see here what we got. We got a nice wire. So here we got USB 3.0, USB 2.0, all the front I/O wiring, USB and HD audio. Okay, it's pretty light. Got this Molex connector which gives the power to all these RGB. The fan looks not real. Fan looks definitely fake. Looks fake. That's stunning. Geez, I hope that there will be enough space for the cooler. Yeah, we are tight, but we are in a good position. So that's it. This is the first video, the unboxing of the case. Thank you for staying tuned and see you in the next video.